necessarily need to have a lot of followers for that. I don't have a tons of followers, but people always ask me where I got A, B. Back to my channel. This is Isatue, and if you didn't know that already, you're probably new here and it's your first time. So first, welcome, but be sure to subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be one of the first to know anytime I upload a new video. So today's video is about that money. Yes, today we're gonna be talking about side hustles. Yep. So you know, with the whole quarantine thing, a lot of us are left with a lot of time on our hands, whether it's because some of us got laid off of our jobs, or some of us are working from home, or just the simple fact that there's nothing to do outside now. Like, listen, a girl can't even go sit in a restaurant and get a regular meal, you know? So, you know, with all that extra time, sometimes we're looking for things to do, whether we are still making money or we're not making money. So today I'm here to share with you some side hustles. Most of them I have tried. So if you guys have any questions, you can definitely leave it below in the comment section and I'll get back to you. So let's jump right in. Most of the time when I think about side hustles, I think about you should do something that you actually like. So for me, something I like or love is clothes. Like, I love shopping. So I don't shop as much as I used to before, like when I was in New York, but I still have a lot of clothes. It's really a problem and I need to get rid of them. So something that I have tried and I will continue to use is selling my clothes online. And in terms of selling, it doesn't just have to be clothes. You can sell anything. So what I've been using in order to sell are websites like eBay or Poshmark or even Facebook Market. For Facebook Market, I actually recently sold a pair of Air Force Ones that I was probably never gonna wear. They were like the colorful kind. I loved them when I first saw them, but after a while I was just like, I'm probably never gonna wear them again. I also tried to sell them on Poshmark, but it wasn't as successful. I posted it on Poshmark before I posted them on Facebook Market, and once I posted it on the marketplace, it sold in like 2 days, and I was able to get actually more money than I spent on the sneakers. But don't tell the person that bought them. Shh. And then in terms of eBay, I haven't used it recently, but I used to use it a lot in the past, and I've been able to sell a lot of things. For example, I had this birthday dress. I usually never re-wear my birthday dresses, so I got it from Fashion Nova, and I was able to sell it on eBay, and I've sold earrings and tons of things. So that's one way you can make some extra money on the side. Another way that you can make money is using a website called Fiverr. So instead of selling things and items, you can sell your services, duh. So if you are talented, if you know graphic design, it doesn't even have to be graphic design. It could be things like resume writing, editing, social media, anything that you think you're talented in, you can use that and sell your services on Fiverr. So I've used Fiverr as a buyer, but recently I've been trying to use it as a seller too. People come to me to edit their resume, so I was like, why not look into selling that service? I haven't done it yet. I'm in the process of doing it, so hopefully I go ahead and follow through. Another way you can make money, I've also done this before as well. So when I first moved to Ohio, I did not have a job. So instead of just sitting around in the house and laying around, something I did was DoorDash. DoorDash and Grubhub is food delivery. So you can go ahead and, you know, sign up on the app and offer to deliver food. Since all restaurants are closed, people are ordering things online. I wouldn't tell you to go ahead and go do DoorDash or Grubhub, considering the climate that we're in with this whole, you know, quarantine situation. But I do know that instead of having to come into contact with people, they do offer you a no contact delivery, and then you can just leave it at their doorstep or wherever they ask for it to be left, so you don't have to come into contact with the person. But that's only if you're brave enough, you know, to go outdoors. Something that I actually started doing recently is investing in stocks. Yes, stocks. Basically what companies do is that they kind of like sell portions of their company and let you invest money into it. Since the virus started, a lot of stocks dropped dramatically. So right now it's actually might be the best time to invest in some of those stocks before they shoot up in price. And basically you can invest in those stocks and buy them, and once you're ready and they're at a price that you like, you can sell them and then get that money back. So it's like your money working for you. I wouldn't really call it a side hustle, even though I would say shopping is my side hustle, but I ain't making money from it. But technically I am, because there's something that I use called Ebates. Well, it used to be called Ebates. Now it's called Rakuten. I'm probably not saying that right. But basically what you do is you install in your browser. So anytime you go on a website, something will pop up. Basically something about being able to get cash back. So let's say I go on Pretty Little Things, it'll say like you can get 5% cash back. But by me shopping on Pretty Little Things, once I hit that checkout button, I'm automatically getting 5% back. And I have actually done this, and I have received checks in the mail. They have deposited money into my bank account. And listen, if you love shopping like I do, I would recommend that you do it. You can even download the app for your phone, or if you're using your laptop to shop, make sure you download that browser. And also note that I'll be listing links to some of these things in the description box below, so if you are interested, you can look into it further. This is something that I have not tried yet, but I do think it's a good idea. So a lot of us have social media, yep. And I don't know about you, but sometimes when I use Instagram stories, like let's say I'm posting a picture of myself wearing something cute, and then a lot of people are like, oh my god, where did you get that from? That's so cute. Or I've had people ask me like, what kind of lipstick is that? You know what you can do? You can add affiliate links to your social media pages. So whether you're using, let's say, Twitter, or maybe you're using Instagram, which is what I mostly use, in your bio you can add a link to that product, an affiliate link, so you can make money from it. So anytime somebody clicks on that link, or anytime somebody purchases it, you get some money coming to you as well. I know Amazon also, I think, has something very similar to that, where you can create your own Instagram store and like add products that you buy, and when people go into your store and they purchase it as well, you can get money from it. You're kind of like advertising, but also making money without really trying to advertise. You're just sharing yourself, and you don't necessarily need to have a lot of followers for that. I don't have a tons of followers, but people always ask me where I got A, B, C, D. So if I were to direct them to the link in my bio, telling them this is where I got it, and I can make some money back. So I hope I didn't go through any of those things too fast. I was a little pressed for time today, but if you do have any questions about the side hustles I mentioned, definitely leave your question below in the comment section. And if you have any other ideas in terms of side hustles you may have tried, you can also feel free to share those with us as well. Also be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Yes girl, do that right now. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.